Are you looking at purchasing a property in the Green Valley area and you need a property management company? Or do you already own one and you're looking to have someone else manage it for you? I'm Steve Rosenberg and I'm head of investor education for Mynd Property Management. Today we're going to do a deep dive in understanding what does a property management company do and why does it or does it not make sense for you to hire one. Before we do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you can get this and more information like this in the future. So property management companies are really there to be part of your team. They're the ones that should be doing the heavy lifting on a daily basis to make sure that your business, whether it's one property or it's 50 properties, is operating as a business. That's rules, policies, procedures, structure, making sure that the tenant abides by the lease agreement, as well as enforcing all the current laws and standards, as well as protecting the tenant and all the tenant's rights. This means you are running a business, and this means that someone needs to know what these current laws are. Now, it's not saying that you can't do it yourself, but if you do choose to do it yourself, you've got to make sure you know what you're doing, and you've got to make sure that you take it seriously because the federal government, state, and local laws do expect you to know what those are. So what does a property management company do? Well, first they start by getting your property advertised, marketed correctly per all the laws. They will get your property leased after screening the correct tenant, dealing with Fair Credit Reporting Act and all the fair housing laws. Then they take care of signing the lease. Then they take care of the day-to-day operations. That could be lease enforcement, maintenance control, collecting the rents, dealing with contractors, vendors. If something should happen, maybe having to enforce the lease agreement, and worst case scenario, having to do an eviction. Again, all of these have certain policies, procedures, and structure, and somebody has to abide by them. Many people don't buy a property to get a second or third job, but sometimes that's what ended up happening, and you may not be the most qualified person to do that second or third job, which is what a property management company does. So again, there's a lot of rules, there's a lot of laws, there's a lot of regulations, and of course there's a cost for that, which we'll go over, but again, the cost has to equal the value. So we always got to make sure whoever you hire, that they're providing the correct value for what you're paying for services. So again, some of the things, there's new laws, there's been a lot of rental scamming going on in Green Valley. Mynd Property Management, we manage a lot of properties here, so we know what's going on, and you want to be very careful about that because at the end, it's your property, and if there is a lawsuit, you will or could be potentially wrapped up in it because you are the property owner. So a good property management company can help ensure that they're screening the right tenant and putting the right actual tenant in. Also, the residential eviction law in Arizona has recently changed. You've got to make sure that you know why you're evicting. There's certain things you have to state on the eviction as to why you're evicting them. These are some things that you've got to really think about and know because, again, at the end of the day, you're running a business. Property management companies can help you with this, as well as any type of maintenance to make sure your property is maintained. Now, when it comes to cost, we believe that you should be able to pick which type of service you want. So we have the core service, which is $79 per month. Then we have the Avid Investor, which is going to be $119 per month. And then we have the Peace of Mind, which is $149 per month. So again, you can pick which one you want. If you go to our website at mynd.co, there you can get a full list of what is entailed in each one of those packages. But again, you should be able to choose which one you want. It should not be a one-size-fits-all because I don't believe that that exists. But again, whenever you hire a property management company, make sure that they have a full legal counsel. We have attorneys on staff that can help with any state, local, or federal issues. Again, and we have boots on the ground here in Green Valley. So we want to be part of your team. We want to be part of your success. And part of that is having the right people in the right places, asking the right questions. So if you want, you can go to our website at mynd.co, and there you can ask us any questions you want. You can set up a strategy meeting. There we can help you. We can have a conversation with you and help you make smart decisions for your acquisition goals. So again, go to our website, mynd.co, mynd.co. Be happy to chat with you there. And if it's not Green Valley, we can help you in any one of our over 19 investable markets nationwide. So again, go to the website, mynd.co. Talk to us, take a look at all the services, all the markets that we offer. We'd love to be your partner and your property management company. On behalf of Mynd and myself, thank you for watching. See you next time.